How to log into another account on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Here, click on your profile at the top left. Then click on the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down to the bottom, you'll find Log Out. Click on Log Out in here. Press on Log Out. And now, click on Switch Account at the bottom. You'll find this kind of screen. Here, add your username or email, then add your password and press on Login. After you do that, you will be logged into your another account. This is how to log into another Snapchat account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.